In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate packing slips from Xero Invoices. Packing slips are the documents your warehouse or delivery team use to pick, pack, and ship the items on an order. They list what's going in the box, where it's going, and any notes that help fulfillment run smoothly. The good news is, you can create them right inside Xero from the invoices you already have. Start by logging in to your Xero account. Once you're in, look for the Sales section in your main navigation. This is where Xero organizes your customer-facing activity, including quotes, invoices, and credit notes. Click Sales, and then select Invoices to open your full invoice list. From here, choose the invoice you want to ship. Open that invoice so you can see all of its details. It's worth taking a quick glance to confirm you've got the right one. Check the customer, the shipping address if you use one, and the line items and quantities. The packing slip will mirror what's on this invoice, so accuracy here saves time later. On the invoice page, find the Print PDF option. There's a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that arrow to reveal more document formats. From the list, select Packing Slip. This tells Xero to generate a packing-focused version of the invoice that hides pricing and emphasizes items and delivery details. Give the system a moment to prepare the preview. Depending on your browser and settings, it may open in a new tab or within a built-in viewer. Once the preview loads, review it carefully. Look at the recipient details, shipping address, and any reference numbers or notes that your team will need. Then scan the items, product names or SKUs, quantities to ship, and any variations like size or color. If your business uses internal notes, make sure anything essential for fulfillment is visible. When everything looks correct, you can print or download the packing slip. Choose Print to send it to your warehouse printer, or use the download option to save a PDF for emailing to a third-party logistics provider or attaching to a shipment record. Saving a copy can also help with audit trails and customer service follow-ups. That's it. By logging into Xero, opening the invoice, using the drop-down beside Print PDF, and selecting Packing Slip, you can quickly generate a clear professional document for shipping, deliveries, and order fulfillment. Once you get familiar with the flow, it only takes a few seconds and keeps your back office and warehouse perfectly in sync.